Okay, so welcome everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the how to make a professional post design for FB, Insta, anything like this. Okay, so you can see here very simple and unique, and it's a very simple, but it has all detail and any customer can attractive this kind of design. So. Uh, let's go to the design and how to make this. Let's look. First of all, I want to tell you, uh, you can choose any kind of template. So here I'm going to choose I before I make this template and so make this design, and I'm going to use same size. It's a Instagram size for FB size. Okay, so uh, okay, so go to your empty template, so and go to element and go to line and shapes and find uh, different shapes. Okay, I will show you what kind of shapes you want to add here. So it looks like cloud, sky cloud, looks like that kind of shapes you can add, or any shapes, round shapes, uh, just a line shape, any kind of shapes you can add here. So you can see here I am adjusting position and make sure it's not half or more than half. And okay, so here I'm duplicating my design and redesign it and make sure the right color I'm choosing. So I am here light blue, choose, you see. Okay, okay, right done. Okay, then uh, okay, that's all. So after you can go to again elements, or you can go to, okay, you can go to frames and find frame, circle frame, or you can find you can go to down. Okay, so here you, okay, more and more. So you can see here frame with the border. Okay, with the border. So I am selecting this share frame. It is to manage, or you can use circle frame with circle shape. Okay, now okay, so how you want to, how you have to position, right position. Okay, so here, and I'm going to element and find students photos, and I am searching students and go to photos, and you can add any photos what you want, and I'm going to add here three different photos. It's for one for university, one for revolutions, one for police. Uh, Different kind of education position. So you can add here uh, if you are going to make a company profile, you can add here the people's photo here. So without any distraction. Okay, again I'm going to element. Okay. Hmm. Right, okay, so then go to down and tables. You can see tables and add one table and make sure it's only you want one row. One row. You want one row and delete another three rows on your tables. Okay, so here you can click another one circle, so one square, and you can see here delete row, delete column. Always try to delete row and make it position right position and add your date, time, and month. Here I'm going to enter my this month. Yes, I am going to enter April 14. So here I'm typing April 14 and resizing the size. Okay, so okay, next. Okay, and duplicate again and again, and I'm going to add date. Date mean day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so here I'm going to add Thursday. April 14th is Thursday. I'm going to add Thursday and again duplicate it and add time, another and other column. Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay. Other row. So column. So here I text at 10 p.m. or at 7 p.m. anytime at the time at here at 7 p.m. and at here. So okay, again add another text and type very simple words, very simple phrases. Okay, I am going to type here. We are soon live starting seminar. Okay, seminar. Okay, starting seminar because only free first day, not all the course is free. Only first day is free. That's why I am typing starting seminar. We are soon live free starting seminar. Okay, here I am actually the way right and all is me. And then you can add here Microsoft Office product. It means Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Okay, any kind of if you are going to teach here, what kind of tool you use, what kind of software you use, you can add here. If you are going to design in it, design course, you can add here Adobe, Illustrator, Colorado, Photoshop, anything you can add in the logo. So here I'm not going to search and add here. Now I'm going to back and go to the my first design. Okay, first design line, copy and paste what I done it before. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, here. Okay, okay, copy and come to my new design and paste. So it's okay. So next we want to add here I am adding a student, older student, elder student. If you are going to add here some kind of professional status, a professional person, it's a CEO, manager, director, or you can add text and type here manager, director, CEO, anything. But I am going to type here university student, A-level student, and O-level student. So I'm typing university student under the first picture, and second picture is under the I'm going to type A-level student, and third picture is under I'm going to type O-level student. Okay. Always try to duplicate it because it's a size. If you can use same size of fonts, all these fonts, I mean uh, this three kind of fonts, it's a very perfect. It's a perfect. Don't use different sizes. I mean, first one 25, third one 35, second one 30. Not like that. Use same size of font or same font. Okay. Always try to use a simple text here. That's why this is a very simple and very attractive design. Very professional, looks like it's very professional and very simple. Always talking, you have to be very simple because if you are going to using very hard things, hard fonts, hard sizes, anything, it's difficult to understand any customers, clients. So use the simple things. Okay, here I am adding shapes. Okay, rectangular shape and make it right version be under the post and its color change very light blue, and I'm going to add here my customer telephone number and Gmail address. Okay, here I am going to add my contact number here. This is because template and it's a dummy. Okay, so here is my contact number, and I'm also from Sri Lanka. Okay, and this is why it's your 10-digit number, 010-201-2236, and again duplicate it and make sure and input text here, address, email address. Okay, I am going to add here sparkers@gmail.com, also our Gmail, so sparkers@gmail.com. It's not our Gmail. Okay, so I am not using that Gmail anymore because I am going to put here very dummy address, and again input text, and I am going to type here. You can add your logo. Okay. And I'm sure these sizes. Okay, done. Here's my design. So I hope you can do it without makes it very easy. It's very easy to design. You can download. If you don't have a pro account, you can use simple post. Okay, so I mean simple photos, simple fonts, simple logos. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, see you again.